Good morning, students. Today we will study class 7th, chapter number 12, exercise 12A, and in our last class we have completed up to question number 12. Now the question number 13. Question number 13 is Hari borrowed rupees 12,600 from a money lender and 15% per annum. Simple interest. After 3 years he paid rupees 7,070 and gave a goat to clear off the debt. What is the cost of the goat? First of all, we have to write the principal, rate and time. Principal is your question number 13. Principal is your 12,600 rupees. 12,600, and after that rate is your 15% per annum. After that the time is of 3 years. We have to find the simple interest SI. Simple interest SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Principal into rate into time upon 100. Principal is your 12,600 plus rate is your 15. After that 12,600 after rate is your 15%, then time is your 3 years upon 100. Cancel out. After the left one is 126 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 3, and you will get, when you multiply this, you will get 5,670 rupees. 5,670. Now what you have to find? You have to find the amount. Amount equals to SI plus your principal. Amount equals to SI plus principal. SI is your 5,670 plus principal is your 12,600. Then when you add this, your answer will be 18,270. 18,270 rupees. This is your amount. Amount कितना है हमारा? 18,270 is your amount. After that, what you have to find? We have to find the goat. Cost of the goat, because हरी ने 12,600 rupees money lender से लिए. After that he has at the rate of 15% per annum for 3 years. Then he paid rupees 7,070. उसने 7,070 rupees दिए and उसने एक गोट दी. Then what is the cost of goat? अपने उसने डेबिट को क्लियर करने के लिए गोट दी. Then cost of the goat. Cost of the goat आप कैसे फाइंड करें? कॉस्ट ऑफ द गोट 18,270 माइनस हाउ मच मनी ही हैज गिवन? 7,070. 7,070. व्हेन यू माइनस दिस, योर आंसर विल बी रुपीज 11,200. Your answer will be rupees 11,200. It means that the cost of goat is your rupees 11,200. Now the next question, question number 14. A sum, the simple interest on a certain sum for rupees 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 829.55. Find the sum. Okay. Question number 17. Question number 14. Question number 14 is your question number 14. The simple interest on a certain sum for rupees on a certain sum for 3 years at 10% per annum is rupees 8,829.50. Find the sum. We have to find the sum. Let the sum be rupees P. We have take the sum be rupees P. हमने sum को क्या मान लिया? P मान लिया. Now the simple interest SI equals to rupees 829.50 paisa. After that your time is of 3 years and your rate is 10%. R is your 10%. Now same formula you have to use. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. we have to find principal here. Rate time SI is given upon 100. So what you will do, 829.50 multiply by rate is your it will be reciprocal, okay, multiply by 829.5 multiply by 100 upon rate into time. Rate is your 10 and or time is your 3 years. Remove decimal from here, 2 digit, okay, cancel. After that 8,295 8,295 upon 3. This is left. When you cancel out this, your answer will be 2,765. Okay, 2,765. It means your principal is, your sum is 2,765. This is your answer of question number 14. Now the question number 15 is a sum when. Now the question number 15. Let us do question number 15 here. Question number 15. Question number 15 is a sum when reckoned at 7 raised to 1/2% per annum amount to rupees 3,920 in 3 years. Find the sum. Same you have to do. You have to find the sum here only. So let the required sum be rupees X. We have taken the sum be rupees X. After that amount is given here rupees 3,920 it is given. 3,920 it is given. After that rate is your 7 raised to 1/2% is your rate. After that time is given here for 3 years. आपको 3 years का टाइम इसमें दे रखा है. 3 years time has been given. Same formula you have to use. SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Okay. Same formula you have to use. Principal into rate into time upon 100. Now your principal is X. After that rate is of 3 years. Sorry, rate is 7 raised to 1/2. Change it, 7 raised to 1/2. 7 to the 14 and 1, 15. 15 into, it is rate will be your 15/2. 7 to the 14 and plus 1, 15/2%. Okay, I am writing a 15 multiply by 3/2 into 100. Okay, so when you solve this, you have to solve this 15 multiply by 3/2 into 100. After that, how you have to solve 3? It will be 3 5 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10 and 20. Okay. After that, when you multiply this, 3 3s are 9 and x is your 9x upon 2 2s are 4. It will be your 40. 9x upon 40. Now what you have to do? Amount equals to P plus principal plus your SI. Okay, principal plus simple interest, and the amount is given here. Your principal is X, SI is your 9x upon 14. 9x upon 40. X plus 9x upon 40. This is your principal is X here and simple interest is your 9x upon 40. So what you will do here, 9x upon 40, take LCM. 40 will be LCM. 40x plus, it is 40x plus 9x. Okay, when you plus this 40 plus 9, it will be your 49x upon 40. After that 49x upon 40, then what you have to do? But the amount is your rupees 3,920. Amount is given here 3,920. Let me rub this first. But the amount is rupees 3920. The amount has been given to you, so 49x upon 40 equals to 3920 will be your amount. Now x equals to 3920 multiply by 40 upon 49. Okay, this is clear. When you multiply this 3920 multiply by 40, so x equals to 156,800 upon 49. Okay, this is your 1,56,800 upon 49. When you solve this, your answer will be 3,200. Okay, when you solve this, your answer will be 3,200. So hence the required sum is rupees 3,200. This is your answer. Okay, this is your answer of question number 15. Now what you have to do, question number 16, 17 up to question number, you have to do in this exercise up to question number 15. I have explained you 16, 17, 18, 19, and you have to do here. I am mentioning the homework. Homework is your question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, you have to do. After that, in our next class we will discuss question number 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Okay, this you have to do. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. I have mentioned the homework also.